Passage 12 start. The facts of the case as narrated in the plaint are that Muhammad Amin, plaintiff predecessor of the present petitioners, and Muhammad Rashid are real brothers. The respondent number 1, defendant number 1, had been living with the plaintiff who also arranged his marriage, and in the year of 1984, respondent number 1, defendant number 1 had sent his 4 children from Lahore to live with the plaintiff for getting education, whereas he himself stayed with his other kids and wife in his house at Lahore. That Housing and Physical Department, Bahawalpur, had advertised for auction of plots for shops, and the plaintiff petitioner purchased shop number 9C in his name, and court recorded the name of his brother, respondent number 1, defendant number 1, as Wendy, of plot number 8C as Binamidar, and the petitioner plaintiff himself deposited the amount of the said plot before the concerned department. It is further pleaded in the plaint that the plaintiff petitioner had deposited the installments of balance auction money before the Housing and Physical Department, Bahawalpur, that the plaintiff is exclusive owner of the disputed plot, that thereafter disputes arose between the plaintiff and defendant number 1, and ultimately the parties agreed for settlement of their disputes through the 6 arbitrators who made the award in writing on 16/11/1985, that in the light of said award dated 16/11/1985, the petitioner plaintiff agreed to sell the disputed plot to Dr. Muhammad Tariq and received the earnest money from the said purchaser, that respondent number 1, defendant number 1 also acknowledged the said agreement by receiving part payment through receipt, that in pursuance to the said agreement, respondent number 1, defendant got recorded his statement for transfer of disputed plot in favor of Dr. Muhammad Tariq, but the departmental authorities did not act upon the same, as the purchaser was not present in person and the attorney was not possessing any power of attorney executed by Dr. Muhammad Tariq in his favor, that thereafter respondent number 1, defendant number 1 backed out from the award and in fact transferred the suit property in favor of defendant number 2, which necessitated of filing the suit for declaration before the Learned Trial Court. The suit was registered by said Muhammad Khalil, respondent number 2, defendant number 2, with the assertion that he was a bona fide purchaser for value and without notice. He further pleaded in the written statement that respondent number 1, defendant number 1, was the actual owner of the disputed plot, and that the petitioner plaintiff has failed to allege any reason and motive in the plaint regarding Binami transaction in favor of respondent defendant number 1. He further submitted that contradictory pleas have been raised by the petitioner plaintiff, and that respondent number 1, defendant number 1 remained in possession of the disputed plot since after its purchase. The defendants, respondent number 3 to 6, who are functionaries of government department, also contested the suit by filing their separate written statements with the assertion that the disputed plot had been purchased by the respondent number 1 in open auction and thereafter he transferred the same to defendant respondent number 2. However, respondents number 1, 7 and 8 were proceeded ex parte full stop and clause.